Okay, so this is the newest addition to our family. He's trying to play with Bitch. Bitch is trying to play with him. But this is kolohe. The middle name coming, I'm thinking dumbass. Because that goes with kolohe. But yeah, kolohe boy. Newest member of our family. Small little petot. You gotta love it. So now we have lope, faka boy. Well, damn it, faka boy. Because yeah, that's how it goes. And then we have kolohe. This is the newest addition to the Vieira family. There is boy. Look at him, look at him, look at him. Plenty more puppies. And they're all free. I think get like 6 or 7 more, something like that. He's the run. 3 weeks old. Totally weaned off. And gonna be on spoil less. Okay, aloha.